Hey everybody, welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Your home for all the info you need to know when you're just trying to survive on a budget. I had some people asking me how I'm going to do videos when I'm moving and when I'm on the road. Well, I'm going to show you my setup right after this. Okay, welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Like I said, I'm going to show you my setup that I got right now. One thing you're not really going to be able to see is I'm getting my internet through my cell phone. I'm hooking up my laptop to my cell phone, and I have a little tablet right here. It's an Amazon Fire, I think 7 or something. But I'm going to go ahead and show you what I'm doing. Okay, first thing is I got my laptop. Okay. Then I got my tray. I'll have a link to this down below. This is the one I do my food reviews on when I'm on the road. Over here is Blue Dog. But I went to Harbor Freight and I picked up an inverter so now I can charge my laptop. And it does have a USB plug-in, but you can see my little plug right here. It's covering the USB plug-in. I went ahead and went to Walmart and got a splitter. That way I can plug in my cell phone, my tablet, or something else. It also has a USB jack right here. I mean, that's all it really is to it. There's nothing special. Got my Garmin plugged in. I have another cigarette outlet in here. Have my mouse here. But it's nothing really spectacular or anything. Okay, hopefully you found this video helpful. It's just a real quick video on how I'm doing it. You got people that do like van life living and live in campers full time. And I'm starting to feel the struggle for doing YouTube because I have to go out and look for a place where I can actually get internet service. I might be able to use my phone, but I won't have internet. And right now with the coronavirus going on, places are shut down, so it's getting even harder. So I got to give a lot of respect to you guys that do those kinds of videos on the road. I'm starting to understand where they're coming from. It's not as easy as it looks. Okay, do me a favor, click on that subscribe button in one of these corners. And as always, thank you for watching.